What's going on YouTube? Saltlifekid here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Parkland, Florida, and we are going to be throwing my GoPro connected to a rope into a pond full of alligators, fish, snapping turtles, and there's probably more, but I don't know what else. But I'm really excited. There's a chance I could lose my GoPro, but I hope not. But let's see what we can find. So we're about to throw it in. We already see a bunch of fish, and we're hoping to see a gator on the camera, so let's throw it in. So it's in the water. I think we're gonna let it sit here for like a minute or two, see if we can get anything. So we're gonna slowly reel it in now. Oh, my arm caught that.
Now walk it over there.
So it's really out. Middle. I think right where it landed, we saw a splash like 2 seconds ago. Ooh, that's a big bird. I just saw a giant fish swim out. The camera's right here. Maybe it's aiming at it.
That was definitely one near your camera.
It did? So I guess the fish went near my camera, so we will be seeing that. So my dad's going into the pond to get the camera because it's stuck. And there's gators in the pond, so. Things we do for YouTube. So we got the GoPro out. Rope's still stuck in. This might be the last time that we're gonna throw it. We had a lot of fun yesterday filming and throwing the GoPro into the water to see what we could see. We saw a lot of cool things. I don't think we saw an alligator, but we saw a lot of cool fish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.